So your company has a registered foreign loan in Vietnam, and now the maturity date is approaching. But reality sets in. Cash flow may be tighter than expected, the project might be running behind schedule, or your overseas lender may simply agree to give you more time. The natural solution is to extend the loan. On the surface, that sounds straightforward. But in Vietnam, extending a foreign loan is not just a commercial discussion or an internal decision. It's a regulated legal procedure. In this video, we'll walk you through how to legally extend a registered foreign loan in Vietnam. What needs to be prepared, what common mistakes to avoid, and how to complete the process smoothly without disrupting your operations. Let's first clarify what we mean by extending a foreign loan. If your original loan agreement specifies a maturity date, and you intend to push that date back, even by a few months, that change is considered a formal loan extension. Under Vietnamese regulations, extending the loan term is treated as a material amendment to the original loan conditions. Because those original conditions were approved and registered with the authorities, any extension generally needs to be reported and registered as well. Without completing this step, the extended portion of the loan may not be fully recognized for regulatory and banking purposes. The extension process usually starts with updating your loan agreement. This means signing a formal amendment with your foreign lender that clearly sets out the new maturity date and any related changes to the loan terms. In practice, this amendment should clearly reflect the revised repayment timeline, any adjustments to interest calculations if applicable, and it must be properly executed by both parties. This amended agreement becomes the legal basis for your loan extension filing and is one of the most important documents in the process. Once the amendment is in place, the next step is preparing the registration dossier. This typically includes the original loan registration confirmation, the signed loan amendment, an updated repayment schedule reflecting the extended term, and, where required, an explanation letter. Supporting bank documents may also be needed, depending on the structure of the loan. It's important that all documents are consistent, clearly drafted, and properly translated if they are in a foreign language. Even small issues, such as mismatched dates, unclear wording, or missing signatures, can result in delays or requests for clarification from the authorities. Loan extensions are registered through the same online system used for the original foreign loan registration, which is managed by the competent authorities. As a general rule, extension filings need to be submitted within a statutory period from the date the amended agreement takes effect. From a practical standpoint, companies should begin preparing well before the original maturity date. If a loan technically matures before the extension is registered, companies may face difficulties with repayments, remittances, or even late registration issues. Early preparation helps avoid these risks altogether. Over the years, we've seen a few recurring mistakes when companies extend foreign loans. Some wait until after the loan has already matured before starting the registration process. Others submit unsigned or incomplete loan amendments. And some assume the bank will automatically handle the regulatory side of the extension. Each of these assumptions can lead to unnecessary stress, especially when payments are due or year-end financial reporting is approaching. At LTS Law Firm, we regularly assist foreign invested companies with extending foreign loans in Vietnam. Our team reviews the existing loan registration, drafts or reviews the loan amendment, prepares a compliant filing package, submits it through the official system, and liaises with both the authorities and the bank until the extension is officially approved. With the right legal support, loan extensions can be handled efficiently, without delays or compliance surprises. If your foreign loan is approaching maturity, or if you've already agreed to extend the terms with your lender, it's important not to overlook the legal side of the process. Contact LTS Law Firm for clear guidance on extending your foreign loan in Vietnam the right way. We'll help ensure the extension is properly registered and your company remains fully compliant. Visit www.lts.com.vn or reach out to our legal team directly. When it comes to foreign loan extensions, timing, documentation, and precision make all the difference.